Good morning, guys. This is Diego from Master Tub Reglazing. Today we're going to do a repair on the shower floor. Here is the bottom floor of the shower. It has several cracks, but this is the big one right here. When you step on it, it's pretty steep. So we're gonna put some foam down below so it can level out. And so when you step on it, it doesn't go down as steep, so it stays even. We have to remove all the surrounding caulking, silicone, gunk around the shower floor. And that's what we're doing right now. Once that is all removed, we go ahead and pick it up and dump it out. And then we'll go ahead and start the repair. Right now we are sanding down the shower floor, and then we'll go ahead and repair the bottom cracks on the floor. You can always sand down the floor once you repair the floor too, vice versa. As you guys can see, the surrounding edges with the caulking and the gunk has been removed, and the floor is being sanded down. The reason why we're digging into the holes is and so we can have enough room to fill it up with the foam that we're going to be applying. As you guys can see, the holes have gotten a lot bigger. We're now going to apply the foam right into those holes so it could even out the floor. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how that works. We're putting tape onto the cracks just in case when the foam gets applied, it doesn't lift up too much. So the tape just helps out so it can stay there leveled. See, we'll be applying the foam one by one in each hole. So we have covered up all the holes on the floor. As you guys can see, it's all even now. Right now we're going to cover them up. We're going to put fiberglass cloth on top of the holes with some fiberglass Bondo on top of it. That's what we're doing right now. Right now we're covering up the surrounding area of where we're going to paint. The shower floor has been sanded down and is ready to be reglazed right now. We'll show you guys once it's done. Here's the final result of the shower floor. Let me show you guys how it's looking like. Don't mind the shadow. It's just there's not too much light in here. Let me put it above.